looking for the perfect breakfast smoothie, we are making a matcha strawberry smoothie that's super refreshing, and you also get that little kick of caffeine from the matcha. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. To start our matcha part of the smoothie, I have my bullet, and to it I'm going to be adding in 1 frozen banana, along with a large handful of spinach to get your greens in there, along with a heaping tablespoon of yogurt. You can use any yogurt. This is just non-fat plain Greek yogurt that I'm using. And I also have my matcha. You can use 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha powder depending on how strong of a matcha flavor you want your smoothie. Also how much caffeine you want in it. And because matcha is not a very sweet powder, I like to add in 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. But you can always taste it without the maple syrup and see if you want it to be any sweeter. And I also have some almond milk. I like to use between 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of almond milk, depending on how thick you like your smoothie. If you like a thicker smoothie, you can add less, or you can add more if you want it to be thinner. It's just up to you. Now I've added some ice to my matcha layer and gave it a good blend so it's nice and thick, and I can set this off to the side while I make my strawberry layer. So for our strawberry layer, I have a big handful of frozen strawberries. This is about 10 strawberries, along with 1 frozen banana and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, along with 1 heaping tablespoon of yogurt. This is again the same yogurt from before. And our almond milk, or your milk of choice, and it's the same thing. You can add 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup depending on how thick you like your smoothies. And now we can blend together the strawberry layer. And this actually makes 2 smoothies, so my mom and I can both have one. And I like to first pour in my matcha. So I'll pour halfway matcha and then I'll top it with my strawberry mixture, or my strawberry smoothie. Here we have our finished smoothie, and as you can see, I kind of spilled on one of them, but that's very classic. I know if I don't spill something, then something's wrong. So now it's time to taste our smoothie, and I actually love it because you get the ombre of the colors. This is so good. This is one of my favorite smoothies when I'm a bit hungry and I don't want a latte, but I still want that little kick of caffeine. Especially matcha and strawberry just goes so well together. So please let me know if you try this smoothie and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see some more of my smoothie recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next Sunday. Cheers!